Context rot. Why your agent gets worse the longer you talk to it. Playlist 3, Episode 4. You've felt this. Start an agent session. First 10 minutes, sharp. 20 minutes, still good. 30, small mistakes creep in. 40, it edits a file you explicitly told it not to touch. It's not your imagination. It's a measurable, repeatable phenomenon called context rot, and almost everyone misunderstands what causes it. Most people think context rot is the window filling up. Window hits its limit, performance drops. Intuitive, but wrong. Look at the bottom bar. Chroma Research 2025 tested 18 frontier models, GPT 4.1, Claude Opus 4, Gemini 2.5. Performance degrades long before the window is full, sometimes at 30% fill. More tokens in, worse output out, regardless of how full the window is. Said again, because it matters. Context rot isn't the window filling up. It's the model getting worse as the conversation gets longer, even when the window has plenty of room left. The size of your context, not the fullness of your window. Part 2, Why it happens. 3 things compounding. First, lost in the middle, from last episode. As context grows, the middle gets less attention. Information you put 15 minutes ago drifts into the dim zone. Second, attention dilution. In transformers, every token attends to every other token. That's quadratic. With 100,000 tokens, the model is tracking 10 billion pairwise relationships. Each gets a thinner slice of attention. More tokens means each one gets less of the model's focus. Third, distractor interference. The cruelest one. When context contains things semantically similar to what you want, but actually irrelevant, say grep results mentioning a file name without instructing anything, the model can't easily ignore them. Similar-looking noise actively pulls the model the wrong way. And these don't just add up, they compound. Attention dilution makes lost in the middle worse. Distractor interference makes attention dilution worse. The longer the session, the bigger each effect, and the more they amplify each other. A real example from a developer named Quang Tran at 2 a.m. Start of a long refactoring session, he tells the agent, "Don't edit Widget.tsx." Single instruction. 40 minutes in, the agent edits Widget.tsx. Why? During those 40 minutes, the agent ran greps, read files, traced imports. The string Widget.tsx appeared in tool output many times, as search result, as import, as file in a list. The model has no way to distinguish a user instruction from grep output. That's context rot in one story. Not the window full. Not the model forgetting. The model doing exactly what it was trained to do, predict the next token from everything in front of it, and being misled by the sheer volume of irrelevant content around the important content. Cognition, the team behind Devin, measured this in 2026. By the 35-minute mark, every agent's success rate drops. Doubling task duration quadruples the failure rate, not doubles, quadruples. The relationship isn't linear. The longer the task, the much worse the odds. The wall isn't the window, the wall is rot. Remember, context rot is degradation as input grows, not when the window fills. 3 compounding mechanisms cause it: lost in the middle, attention dilution, distractor interference. Chroma showed it across 18 models. Cognition put the cliff at 35 minutes. Good news, once you can name the mechanism, you can fight it. Prompt caching, model tiering, context engineering. You don't have to accept rot, you have to manage it. Context rot is the size, not the fullness, and it compounds. Next, prompt caching, the 90% discount you're probably leaving on the table. Subscribe, we crack open every bone.